Are you worried about someone accessing your TikTok account without permission? In this video, I'll show you the exact process of logging someone out of your TikTok account to ensure your privacy and security. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Security. And then tap where it says Manage Devices. And now you'll be able to see a list of devices on which your TikTok account is logged in. So if you find a device that you don't recognize, just tap on the trash can icon next to that device, and then simply tap Remove. And that will remove access to your TikTok account from that specific device, and they will be logged out of your account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.